iPhone 15 was released. What changed do you think? Hi guys, welcome to your own channel. In this video, I want to have a review about new Apple iPhones, iPhone 15, 15 Plus, Pro and Pro Max. iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus has dynamic island, but it was guessed that this would happen because the iPhone 14 and 14 Plus didn't have it. There is a repetitive thing that is 2000 needs for new iPhones. iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus will be available in attractive colors, for example, black, blue, green, yellow, and pink. In fact, the colors used in the 15 and 15 Plus aren't cover colors. It means they were injected and anodized into the aluminum, and it causes less scratches on the phone. Next change of iPhone 15 and 15 Plus is in main camera. We have the main lens with 48 megapixel and 1.6 aperture too. These phones support 3-channel anti-vibration, so you can record your video with minimal vibration even without a tripod. We have 2 lenses behind the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus, and by using these 2 lenses and neural motor, you can do double optical zoom. By using this option, even if you have an old image on your iPhone 15 or 15 Plus, you can have an amazing portrait image in your gallery. The cameras of this phone also use the photogenic engine of the iPhone, which have the ability of a smart HDR, and 4K cinematic mode has been added to these cameras. iPhone 15 and 15 Plus have the A16 Bionic chip inside themselves, and this chip is at the same with iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max. It's really powerful, so we can't have any problem with it. It's still hard to compare it with Android. These new Apple iPhones have a feature that you can cut off the surrounding noises during a conversation by pressing just a button, so that person can hear your voice better and clearer. Apple's new iPhones are equipped with a Type-C port. The price of the iPhone 15 is $800 and iPhone 15 Plus is $900. Now, let's take a look at the masterpiece of Apple's event, the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. The first thing that can be seen compared with the previous generation and all iPhones is that their frames are made of titanium. Apple pointed out that this material is at the same material that was used only in the NASA probes that went to Mars. But this titanium is recycled, which makes these iPhones both lighter and stronger. PVD technology is used in the technology of making these titaniums. The inner body of the iPhone is completely made of aluminum sheet, which is easier to repair. The iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max have the thinnest edge of the screen. Using of titanium in these new iPhones has made us have 4 attractive and wonderful colors. First color is pure titanium, then we have blue titanium, which is very beautiful, and we have white titanium and black titanium. The next change is the silent button, that named action button, but now it is in a slide mode and it's a push button, and it is customizable too. If you press and hold it, the phone will be silent, and if you press it one time, you can activate the camera or turn the flash on or everything you want. The chip that they put in the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max is a new chip, the first 3-nanometric chip in iPhone phones, which is called the A17 Pro. There are 19 billion transistors inside this chip, which makes it to do 35 trillion operations in 1 second. The main change of this chip is about its graphic, which has now improved by 20% compared to the previous generations. It means that you can easily play console games on this phone, for example, Assassin's Creed Mirage or Resident Evil Village. Now let's talk about cameras. There are 3 lenses behind the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. The main camera is 48 megapixels, so it means we have a double optical zoom on the both iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. The difference between Pro and Pro Max is in their 12 megapixel telephoto camera. The 12 megapixel lens of iPhone 15 Pro can do 3x optical zoom, and it's at the same with 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max. But iPhone 15 Pro Max can do 5x optical zoom. This is first time we have the 5x optical zoom in the iPhones. The anti-vibration of this camera moves in 3 axes and even cancels the vibrations in fast movements. This camera has a high color control power that supports the standards of the Oscar Academy, which means that you can record a movie with this phone that is liked by the Oscar. iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max can record special videos, and you can see those attractive movies on your Apple Vision. In general, new features for new Apple iPhones are USB Type-C for the port, extremely powerful chip, and titanium body. The price of the iPhone 15 Pro is $1,000 and iPhone 15 Pro Max is $1,200. Well guys, it's end of the video and thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, please like, comment and subscribe us, and don't miss these videos on the screen.